stand here looking like a tit for a minute while it gets a few people. Actually, let's take a little seat for a minute until we get a few people on here. Okay, I want to see that there's a few people on here, and if not, at least hit the share button so that everybody is aware that I am live. I'm not stopping on because I've had a lovely weekend. I've had a really lovely weekend, but I'm absolutely knackered. So before I say anything, I want you to all hit that share button. And for those who didn't watch my video, go back and watch my video that I did a couple of nights ago, where I've explained that Robin Tilbrook is taking basically the government. He's taking the government to the High Court, and he is fighting in the High Court because it was illegal to keep us in the EU. She did not have royal assent to be able to make the decision to extend Article 50. This goes back to the Gina Miller case. When Gina Miller did what she did, she set the precedence. Okay, I think that's the right word, set the precedent. Now, because of what she did, that meant a vote had to be made in Parliament before Article 50 could be triggered. The same rules now apply. In order for her to extend Article 50, they also have to go through a vote in Parliament. There was no vote in Parliament. Therefore, we did officially leave the EU. They have no right to keep us in the EU. It is illegal. So Robin Tilbrook and the English Democrats are taking this to the High Court. Now, in order for them to do this, now, as you all know, Gina Miller, she had money coming out of her backside with your George Soroses of the world that would have been funding the life out of that particular thing. So, this is going to cost money. Now, I know Robin very well. I can vouch for Robin personally. He's an amazing guy, very, very intelligent guy, and although he's a lawyer, he's still going to need a barrister to fight this case. This is going to take money, and I don't go with a begging bowl for anybody or for anything. I don't ask anybody for anybody to give me anything, but I am asking for the English Democrats and for Robin Tilbrook, and mainly for Robin, to help him fight what Theresa May has done, because what she has done is illegal. She can't do it. We have officially left the EU. For them to be able to do this, they need funding. So, I wasn't sure where you could all donate. Please, as I say, please, when you share this as well, and I know it sounds ridiculous, but put a title and put some hashtags. Hashtag Brexit betrayal, hashtag Brexit shambles, hashtag Brexit illegally kept in the EU, hashtag whatever you want, but put a title with it rather than just hitting the share button, because if people see a title, it draws their eye to it, and then that piques their interest. So, in order for Robin to fight this case, and I'm sorry I look so tired, he does need funds. Now, I have seen for, it doesn't matter who for or what it's been for, I've seen when thousands, I'm talking thousands, hundreds of thousands of pounds have been raised in a matter of days. Okay? A matter of days. It should be the same, and this should have been hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of thousands within days. So where you need to go to donate to help Robin fight this and fight against what Theresa May has done, which is illegal. It is illegal. She has no rights. And a High Court judge, an appeal judge, has turned around and said Robin has got almost, I would say, a watertight case against the government. He's fighting the government on our behalf, on the betrayal of 17.4 million people. Okay, he is fighting that betrayal. In order to do it, we've got to help him. We have to help him. If it's £1, if it's 50p, £50, £10, £150, £100,000, if you've got it to give, please give. And the place you need to go to give, I will type it into this video once the video is finished, is www.engdem.org. So it's www.engdem.org. That's where you need to go. That's the official place for donating. Nothing else, just said. That's the place you need to go to make your donations. It's no good going anywhere else. This is the place to go. Nobody else is raising money for this. Okay? I don't care who says that they are. I'm going on what Robin himself has told me. As an English Democrat myself, I know that this is the official place that you need to give. Okay? I'm now asking you, if you all care so much about your country, if you truly care about this country, if you truly care about your vote and democracy, then help Robin to fight this in the High Court by donating at www.engdem.org. That's the official place. Okay? And Debbie Follinsby, before you disappear anyway, lady, I've got a video I've got to send over to you. It's beautiful, of near where I live, the deer running across the road, hundreds of deers, and I know you'd love it. So when Tasha sends it over to me, I'm going to send it over to you. Is the Queen stepping about Mrs May? I'm not sure what you mean by stepping about the Mrs May. The Queen has to sign royal assent. She signed royal assent to trigger Article 50. Now, you can have what they call the Henry VIII law, or the Henry VIII rule. That has to go through the same channels that we were forced to go through just to invoke Article 50. Okay? So in order now, she cannot just extend Article 50. We've left. We're out. But he now needs to go to the High Court and prove this. So, I'm not stopping. My daughter's making me a chicken sandwich. I'm starving. So I'm going to go and have something to eat and a cup of tea. Everybody please share this video. But as I say, please title the video. Please do title the video. Okay? And put some hashtags on it. Hashtag Brexit betrayal. Hashtag Brexit shambles. Hashtag the people's vote's already been had. Whatever hashtag you want, attract people's attention. Ask them to please have the courage, have the moral fortitude and the moral backbone to do what is right. And what is right is to help this man fight this in the High Court. That's the right thing to do. And I think it's the very least that we can do. And I'm looking at myself thinking, Tony Bugle, you look tired and haggard, girl. So on that note, I'm going to bid you all a good night. Take care, stay safe. I hope you've all had a wonderful weekend. Have a fabulous week. I'm about to go and get something to eat and a cup of tea. Because that's how I roll. Chicken roll, a cup of tea. Please go back and check that out. www.engdem.org. Please share it. And please donate. Please put your hands in your pocket. Okay? And let's show that government that we won't sit back while they screw us over and do something that's illegal. For now, take care. Stay safe. Bye.